Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you are new here. My name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and this channel is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. Today's video is going to be a little bit different than my previous ones, but it is still all things home decor, home decorating related, so don't worry about that. But I am going to be switching it up just a little bit, and I'm going to be sharing a huge spring decor haul, my second one for this year, and it's going to be a little different, like I said. So if you didn't know, I do have a small business that is also called The Simplistic Home. Kind of coincides with my YouTube channel and also my Instagram. If you don't follow me over on Instagram, I'll leave my handle right here. You can go ahead and check that out, and you'll probably figure out a little bit more of what I'm getting ready to tell you if you don't know already. But anyway, I am going to be setting up at a spring market this weekend. So I'm going to be showing you all of my spring decor, the inventory that I have for The Simplistic Home, and the items that will be for sale this weekend at the event. So I'm super excited to share this with you guys and kind of the behind the scenes, if you will. I'm not going to go into depth on this much, but I do want to show you a huge decor haul, like I said, and stay tuned for the end of this video because I am going to be sharing how all of this turned out, what my setup looks like, and how I styled it for the event. And hopefully this will give you some tips if you have some of these pieces in your home that you're trying to figure out how to style as well. And if you are new to vendor events, or maybe you are in vendor events on a regular basis and you just want some new ideas, hopefully this video can help you out and get you started there. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started on this video. Alright you guys, so I am coming to you from my garage. So I'm well aware that this does not look super aesthetically pleasing right now, but stay tuned for the end of this video because I promise you this is going to look so pretty. I'm super excited to show you the end result and how I have it all styled. But I just have an array of items that I have been collecting over the last several months for this event. As you know, The Simplistic Home is all about simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. So The Simplistic Home, my little side business here, is just an affordable collection of curated home decor. I go out, I find the pieces, I style them in hopes that it will give everyone some inspiration to have them in their own home. That's what this is all about. I also sell my all-natural cleaning products as well, if you didn't know that. It is called the Natural Route, so I will also have a ton of those at this event as well. So I do not ship those currently, but I don't know. It's something that's been, it's been on my heart for, gosh, like 2 years now. We'll see how that goes. If I ever do ship it, I promise I will let you know. But anyway, into the decor. So as you can see, I have like an array of baskets and bottles, and there's just a ton of different things through here. Probably doesn't look like much right now because, again, it's not all staged yet. But like I said, it's going to look so pretty once it's all said and done. So we'll just go ahead and start with some of the main focal pieces. So for starters, I have this huge wicker basket. It is so pretty. It does have like the little buckle there on the front, as you can see. And then right now I just have some wooden bowls stacked up. You guys will hear things in the background simply because I'm outside. So anyway, just wanted to mention that. But with the wooden bowls, if you guys haven't seen my Decorate With Me videos, then you need to check those out. I have a playlist down below in the description that is for spring 2022, and it is just how I styled different things so you can get an idea on those bowls. But then I also have some like vintage looking frames here. So they're oval and they're kind of like a brass frame, and they have the landscape pictures on the inside. So I have that one, and then I also have this one. I had a larger one as well, but it actually sold already. So super pretty. This is another basket that I have that is really cute. That one. I have this little bee pillow, which I think is adorable for spring, and more baskets over there. I also have this pillow. It's really pretty. It's a really good quality pillow. It's really large and like plush. And then I also have a yellow throw blanket with some tassels on the end. Super cute. And then moving along over here, just an array of items. Again, more baskets. I like to keep an eye out for the really unique shaped baskets. So I think this one is really cute. Again, some all different shapes, more shapes of baskets. And then I also have this really cute little canister. As you can see, it has the floral print on the outside of it, so really cute. It's really aged looking. I have that piece, and then I have been collecting different shades of these bottles because I really love how they look, and I think they can be so pretty as like a centerpiece. If you guys don't follow me on Instagram, be sure to check me out over there because I just showed a way that you could style these. So right now I just have a little floral arrangement inside. These actually came from Walmart, the florals did. I don't sell the arrangements, I just sell the bottles. I like to keep all my greenery for staging. And then I also have some little faux herbs and an accordion hanger. You guys know what these are. It like folds out. You can hang them on the wall for like a coat rack or anything like that in an entryway. I have some amber bottles that are really pretty. These are like really large. Another green bottle. So this is like the really dark green tinted glass. And again with the florals inside. So I have those. There's a lot of different things in there, so you'll have to wait and see at the end of the video what all is in there. But anyway, I also have a really pretty pitcher, so these are great for if you host a lot, and you know, Easter's coming up, so you can always have this out if you host Easter dinner with some lemonade or something like that in there. These are really pretty. I love finding the unique shapes of the spouts. I also have a little like a cheese ball holder, and it does have a little spreader in there too. So I have that. This one is a lighter wood wash, but I love having those. I also have some larger vases here. So I have this really dark like teal one, and then this one is more of a dark green. So if you again haven't watched my decorate with me videos, I highly recommend it. I have multiple of these in my home and I show how I style them with different florals and whatnot, but these are those same florals that I have in those little bottles that I just showed you. So I have those. More of the bottles. I love the blue ones. I think these are really pretty and perfect for spring, really in summer too. So I have some of those. I also have this really large floral arrangement. So this is super pretty. I love the knobs on the base of this. Actually really large. And then I have these really cool chairs. So I have a couple of these chairs. But I love the aged chairs. I think they look really pretty tucked away in a corner with a plant on top. Again, I have one of these in my home as well with my pothos plant on top. So those are really pretty to be staged in a home. And then I have this basket. So you probably saw this in my spring decor haul for the items that I have in my home. But this was a basket that I've had for a while and I just didn't use it enough, so I decided to part ways with it. So it'll not be available for purchase at this event, but it has the leather straps on it. It has the buckle. It won't buckle currently because I have the greenery inside, but anyway, it does work and whatnot. And then another thing that I have is this wooden coat rack. So it's really aged. As you can see, the bottom, it's like real faded and whatnot. But it does have the aged like brass hooks on it. Probably can't see that too well. But anyway, I have that. And then moving along over here, I have more baskets. So this one actually hangs on a door or something, and you can have like a little arrangement in there, so that's super cute. I have more bowls. These are like the lighter wood ones, and then just a few other little like decorative pieces. So I love this. I think this is really cute. It's like an aged like brass kind of, I don't know, it's hard to tell, I feel like, in this part of the video, but anyway, it is like brass around the edge, and then it has like a painted like scenery in the background, as you can see. So there's like a woman down there, there's flowers, homes, things like that. It's really pretty. So anyways, I wanted to show you all of this stuff, and like I said, I do have more in my house. I have some faux pottery that I'm going to be selling as well, and then I also have all of my cleaners too. So stay tuned for the next part of this video. I'm going to be showing you how I have all of this staged and just some tips on prepping for an event. Okay, so tip number one for you guys, I highly recommend always staging at home before you get to the event and start like your prep work there, because it'll save you so much time. So what I'm doing currently is setting up the tables and whatnot in my driveway, and I'll kind of play around with the decor and get a good idea and a good feel for what I want to do, just so you know, it saves me like literally hours of time. Anyway, once I get the feel for what it is I'm going to be doing, then I'll go ahead and start staging the tables. So if you have like a 10 by 10 space, or in my instance right now I believe I have like a 14 by 7, so it's just like a more narrow long space because I'm in a barn actually, so it's really cool. But anyway, so just kind of play around with the layout. That way it is so much easier for when you actually get to the event and start setting up there. Okay, so you kind of get the gist of what I'm doing here. So I basically am just setting it up like a rough draft of how it would be at the event. So I have my tables, obviously they still need cleaned off and whatnot. I also always love to have a rug in the center of my spot, just because I feel like it does make it feel a lot more inviting, and it always just draws people attention. I always get compliments on just a rug, even though it is nothing major. People always says, wow, this looks, you know, so pretty. It makes it look complete, makes it feel very serene and homey. So just a tip for that. But I also recommend having a sign of some sort. It clearly doesn't have to be this big, but I actually found this large chalkboard sign at a yard sale one day last summer, and I thought this would be perfect. So somebody in my area does calligraphy, and I wrote up what I wanted it to say and whatnot, so she did that for me. She did a fantastic job. But yeah, so this is what the Simplistic Home little small business is: an affordable collection of curated home decor plus all natural cleaning products. So that's what that is all about. As far as the tables themselves, clearly these tables get a lot of love with projects and whatnot, so I highly recommend getting covers for them. So these are just drop cloths. So like how people make like drop cloth, or sorry, not drop cloths, these are like canvas material, yeah, drop cloths. So anyway, I just use these. I like the natural color of them. You can obviously you know, stain them or bleach them or do whatever you want, but I just leave them the natural look that they are. So I have one of those for all of the tables, and then I will add like table runners and whatnot on top of those, just to again make it look more complete and homey, so that way it is more inviting for everyone. But anyway, this is the gist. I will end up filling in like this whole space with things. I should have some extra space over here, so this will be filled in with stuff also. So anyway, looking forward to the next day so we can go ahead and get all of this set up in the barn. Good morning, everybody. So it is market day and I'm so excited. So today is day one. This is a 2-day market. So today, like I said, is day one. Hoping for a great turnout. It is pretty chilly and it did rain yesterday, so hopefully there's a good turnout. I know weather, you know, scares people away sometimes, but super excited to show you how all of it turned out. I have some things that I'm still bringing. I have some plants back there, as you can see. I'll be bringing those. I like to bring a lot of plants and whatnot for like staging and stuff. So I have that, and then in the very back I have my cleaners. I made a bunch of those yesterday, so looking forward to today and just showing you what it all looks like. So I hope this video has been helpful for you if you are somebody who likes to set up events, or you just like going to events and you like to see kind of the behind the scenes. But anyway, let's head to the market now, and I'll show you what my little setup looks like. Alright, you guys, this is the big reveal. I am very pleased with how this turned out for this spring market. The very first market of mine for spring 2022. I just want to continue to share some tips with you guys. So if you guys sell any type of products that are scented or handmade, or maybe you sell baked goods or anything along those lines, I highly recommend having little signs with like scents or flavors or anything like that on there. I have found that that is super helpful. And also scent testers as well, if you're selling like anything with essential oils or maybe perfumes or anything along those lines. So I wanted to mention that. And I also really think that staging things in a particular way is super important as far as layering goes, and adding greenery and mixing in textures and just having things in different places that really just draw attention to people's eyes. So I always get compliments on how everything just looks very homey and just well put together. So just putting in, you know, a lot of thought towards whenever you are setting up for staging and any type of event just really makes a difference, because remember, you're representing your business, so you just want to do it to the best of your ability. I just have so much fun with this, and I think that if you are someone who is interested in setting up at a market, just know that it should not be super intimidating. I definitely know that it can be, but you can just have so much fun with it and just truly just express your personality and what your business is. So it is so fun. And again, all of these staging tips that I'm telling you right now, as far as layering and adding in greenery and all of those things, even if you're someone who doesn't do this at a market, you can obviously take all of these things to your home, and that's how you can decorate in your home as well. So I hope you guys enjoy these videos, and
just really enjoy how I put together my home decor and things along those lines and show the thrifted inspiration. If you guys do enjoy all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, I really hope you consider subscribing to my channel today. I would love to have you here in this space. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Like I said, I hope this video was inspiring to you. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if it was, and if you enjoy all things home decorating. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.